Hi guys, it's me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. Uh, uh. So I'm continuing this to. Is it hypothesis? Oh my gosh. Гипотеза.
Hypothesis.
Hypotheses. I continue like these two parallel hypotheses. One of them being uh, this being a T2 and the other that being potentially T2. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's also a possibility. But that looks like an exhaustion. And that looks too messy. So that's looking too messy. Does look like an exhaustion. However, where's the volume? And volume is here. So yeah, volume distribution is good. It's here. It is here. Mm-hmm. This is unfortunate, but wait, what happened here? Yeah. With this kind of volume, still expected to break this level. However, and that were yesterday. Yeah, that's our June's. And that's where it bounced today. We'll see how it tests. We'll see how it tests tomorrow. We'll see how it tests tomorrow. Yeah, you guys. Oh, I'm looking at Intel and what I'm talking about. Yeah, I couldn't take it from daily. First of all, that would need a test. Secondly, on monthly, T1 is broken. We already reached 0.5 here. So, which loops us into this guy. That kind of looks. Oh, yeah, and it's like well above zero point 0.5. And it's counter trend, and it's already reached its zero point 0.5 potential on daily, on monthly. Dailies, it's like far from zero point 0.5. So yeah. No, guys, I think only from transition extremum, because there is no context for hourly trade for a swing. You know what I mean? Paper trading. That's interesting. Oh, and it was over dividends to. Yeah, instant correction on monthly. This break is very. Is it really? Yeah. Doesn't look that inspiring at all. At all. Same for this thing. Monthly contradicts yearly because on annual chart, yearly chart. I still don't know if it's like, is it a thing to say yearly chart? How do you say 1 year chart? Yearly chart. Yeah, yearly chart. Yeah, it works. So yearly, monthly, hourly. So monthly contradicts the yearly because yearly is in correction. So the volume distribution on day actually is unclear because we have bigger volumes here. Yeah. Hmm. Boom, boom. We'll see about that. Okay, let's see our days. SPY moves farther. Qs. Everything goes higher. IWM. Fighter. That's the last month of the day. It kind of hangs out. Oops. It kind of hangs out there. Bum, bum, bum. Consolidates after a break. Exercising my holding muscle. Sibneft, I had to change my take profit, even though it's my trading coach's trade. I had to lower down my take profit because it's a break. Now it's official. and volume distribution is right, is bearish, because you see like the biggest volume is on manipulation bar. So yeah. So since it's counter trend, or aggressive rather, so max I can do is 2.5. Fjord. It's like not enough. I'm crippled mouth with my accent. I continue to make it worse, but I like it. Fjord. I like it. Russian markets are positive after the peace talks. That happened in Turkey, in Istanbul. We'll see. I just wish everyone peace. Peace. Yeah, this thing went up. And this guy, have it open. Can't wrap my mind around it. This is a transition extremum. Okay, this guy just grinds higher and higher and higher. Let's see our biggest drops of today. Google will be interesting around here. Well, yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Let's see some other stocks. We have time till markets close. Till markets close. Yeah. No, it's not even in 0.5 for daily, which means there's no context for swing trade, and for day trade, and so no. Yeah, if it wasn't 0.5, if it was like this, that would be a different story, I guess, for a swing trade. So really here we should focus on work through transition extremum. It can go, it can absolutely go tomorrow. Just bounce and go up, and volume probably is gonna be right. But considering monthly, considering 0.5, yeah, no, I don't like it. Meta goes higher. Far up in the neutral zone. And as always, guys, if you want me to take a look at your stock, send it to me. That's a massacre. That's a massacre. I don't like messy stocks, you know? It's not stocks, it's like situation. I like when it's like clear and nice. Everything looks, you know, civil. Some other stocks are just a mess. Some other stocks are just a mess. Like this one. What's going on here? Anyone can tell me? Because I can't. It's called neutral zone. It's called like whatever. Bum, 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 bum. Everything is so high up there. Everything is so high up there. That reached the 0.5. It's potential, so now it's actually more of a short. Yeah. More of a short. Wait. Why did it reach its 0.5 potential? On daily. Oh, right, and there's no context for daily anyway, so on hourly, yeah. Look at this hourly. Anyways, it's a massacre. It's a massacre. Yeah. What am I waiting for here? Yeah, I see how high this whole thing is up there. So yeah, I'm gonna let you go, guys. I continue to this whole thing. Let it just go down. This thing freaks me out, just doesn't go for a long time. Should I close a little more of this position? What do you think, guys? The thing can go any direction now. This thing can go any direction now. And I'm already in this thing up to my eyeballs. Up to my eyeballs. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly. Make all decisions on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. And that's, by the way, is gonna be matching levels. Once it comes down there. Okay, see you. I see you. I'll see you when I see you. It's a massacre. It is a massacre.